Hello everyone. Today we will learn about Python key features. See, we see here in the screen. So Python is easy to learn due to its clear syntax and readability. So means in the Python we can write the syntax very easily and readability. It will not take much complicate and it is not much difficult to compare to other programming language. The another feature is Python is easy to interpret, making debugging easy. So here, so the Python programming language is debugging easy, and it will interpret to other operating systems, other technologies. The third point is Python is free and open source. So Python is free and open source means so no need to take license, no need to pay money to Python software. So we can go to the Python website, then get download and install in our PC. Then you start learning and working the project. So that's why it is a free and open source. And another feature is it can be used across different languages. So Python can use in different languages, even different languages we can use the Python. That is our. And again the another point is it is an object oriented language that supports concepts of classes. So in Python programming language we can use the classes concepts. So after classes concepts, again we can use object oriented language, object oriented topics. So it's like encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance. So these are all covered, these are all supported in Python programming language. Another feature, it can be easily integrated with other languages like C++, Java and more. So after completing the program in Python language, we can easily incorporated with other programming languages. So these are the main features in Python